Hello everyone, this is Kalyan. Today I'll be going to show how to install the Cassandra in your Ubuntu. Cassandra can be installed on both Windows and as well as Linux also. Cassandra is an open source project from Apache and it is an OSQL and it is a document oriented database in the OSQL concept. Okay, so let me go for the installation procedure. If you want to install the Cassandra, you just go to the Apache Cassandra website. You can type Apache Cassandra. Go for the first link and have an option for download. You can go for it, and you have a different versions of the latest version and older versions are available. You can download any version, but when you are going with the older version, it can work with 1.6 or 1.7, but latest version need 1.8 of the version, 1.8 version of the Java compatibility, so you have to work out. So currently in my system I have some older version of the Cassandra ASAP. I'll be going to show you how to work with that. The installation procedure will be same, but only Java need to be up to date. So I have in my box Cassandra 2.1.0 is there. So you can download this software, this tar file from the Apache mirrors also. Once you download it, you can put this tar file into your work directory and then right click and extract here. This is a simple step for the installation wise. You can either download from the latest versions also which are available, or else you can go for archive, like which are the one you want to go for, which versions of the Cassandra you want to go for, 2.1, 2.6, anything also. All these are available here also. You can simply go for it. And I have chosen the one of the version is 2.1.0, which is compatible with the 1.7 version of the Java. And once you extract this one, you will get a folder. This is the folder, and take this entire one is the Cassandra home. Update this Cassandra home in the .basrc file. So for that, let me open a terminal, type gedit /basrc. so end of the .basrc, add two lines here. One is export Cassandra _home, then path of it, export path equal to $Cassandra _home /bin : path. So here we need to give the path of the Cassandra, that is home hadoop work. Right now in my system is this one, and let's take the folder name also. So if you add these two lines in the .basrc file, then your system will automatically know like where the Cassandra is configured also. It's going to work out. Let's save this file and reopen the terminal once. Okay, so once the Cassandra is configured like that, we can able to start Cassandra and we can able to work with that. Cassandra starting, how you can start it? Cassandra, simply you can type this one, you can able to start the Cassandra also, but you have to check like a Java compatibility, which version of the Java you are using it. If it is 1.6 or 1.7 or 1.8, depends on that Cassandra versions will be there. My current version can go work with like a Java 1.6, 1.7 version. Now it is started, and you can connect Cassandra in a two ways. The older approach is Cassandra -CLI. It supports Windows also .bat first, but I am currently in the Linux. I can go with only CLI. This is one of the approach for Cassandra CLI mode. This is the older one, they are deprecated, and the latest one is SQLSS. It's the Cassandra query language support. This is the latest support from the Cassandra. So as per your convenience, you can go for this. Now I have some of the basic comments are there to show you like how really Cassandra is working or not. So I have documented also generally how to where to download and where to place and how to update it. Reopen the terminal. Cassandra is the command to start that one. Starting in a CLI is the Cassandra CLI and the SQL is the Cassandra SQL. You want to stop the Cassandra means you can go by the process name pkl-s, this one. There are some SQL commands I have it, and as well as like a CLI commands also. Let me show you here. So here there is a strategist will be there when you are creating a databases inside the Cassandra. Generally in place of database we'll use a keyword in the Cassandra as key space. It's almost same meaning will be going to come, and I'm trying to create a key space, whichever the key space name you want to provide it with some kind of information. This is the information is just related to this key space only, and here I can follow the simple strategy or as like a network topology strategy. Anything is fine. Let me create one of the SQL command with my key space name is the Kalyan_SQL. So I have to do only in the SQL one. Okay. And this is created, and you want to know means describe key spaces. You can able to. This inbuilt key spaces are these two, and our key space is this one. Let's say use Kalyan. It's a tab support is there, it's automatically going to work. And inside the key space you want to know tables also. Describe tables. There is no right now no tables. You want to create tables also, we can create it with as same as like what your SQL operations. Same thing, discuss key spaces and use key space, and you want to drop it also, you want to drop it. And currently I am going to create another table called like a student with the 3 columns. One is ID, name, year. My ID is the primary key, and also providing some information related to that is the with comment. Let me create this table in my SQL approach inside my Kalyan_SQL key space. Okay. So let's verify is it there are not my table with the describe table. Yes, it is available. Generally how to acquire the data is select star from student. You can go by this query to get the data from the student table. Right now there is no data, but you want to insert the data also, we can insert with the insert statement. Insert into table name with which are the fields you want and the corresponding values. Let's try all these 4 commands also. All these 4 commands like inserting one by one, it won't take much time also. And then again try with the select star from student. It's just same as like your SQL queries now. That is what the Cassandra query language SQL, and I have it. And I want to do some more queries like a where ID greater than 2. It's not. The reason behind this one is like about some kind of indexing kind of thing we have to do it now here. Okay. So let's try with equal to, it's going to, but other operators are like you have to go with like some kind of other tokens. Now let me show this equal to is going to find, this equal to is going to find, and maybe you want to do on the year. Year is not a primary column. Okay, let's try this query. It's not going to work. You want to do like a non-primary columns means it's not. Here is a ID is a primary column, I can able to, but non-primary columns means we need to create a index on that, and once you create an index on that, we can able to try with the our old command. It is going to work now. That is what the functionality like a Cassandra has. These are the things you just need to be explored when you are learning a Cassandra actually. Okay. And you want to drop it also, you can drop it. It is not only for primitive data types, it also support like some complex data types like a list, array like that, and some of the small examples also I have given here. This is one basic thing, and same information let's try it in the our CLI support. So show key spaces, and I have a key spaces are now. One is Kalyan SQL and systems traces, and you want to create your own key spaces also, you can create it. So these are some of the commands for the create now this one. So I want to create another key space is Cassandra underscore CLI with strategies. So this strategy replication factor and as well as like a simple strategy. Same information only, but way of writing in the older approach is different. This is the old approach. Now you want to use your key space also, you can simply use it also. You want to drop it, you can drop it. You want to describe it, you can describe it. Let me use my key space. Then you can able to see like I am in the Kalyan right now underscore CLI. So once you are in the one of your key space, you want to create a table. A table is not the concept here. It's similar to the table concept is the column family here. Okay. So you need to create a column family inside the key space. The column family name is student and with some kind of validation and comparison, and you can define it. Let me create my column family that is student. It's just same as like a table, but it is a column family. And you want to put some data into your column family with row wise, you can define it. Okay, so this is the student, my column family, this is my column and values. Let's do everything these things. Okay, so I want the data is like a list my table. So and with the one thing is like this. Let me do it again. This one. So by default 100 is going to come. So you want there is a row key is the name and the key is the Rajesh and having a name is ID, value is this, corresponding timestamp, key and value concept, everything is key and value concept. In the same row key we are having a year is there and here I'm same like this everything. So where we define that row key is the all these things. It's up to you, you want to change it or not, all these things. Okay. And I want to delete any data also, I can go. So everything is kind of key and value concept only. We have to. These are general basic commands in the Cassandra. You want to verify is really running or not in a CLI mode or like a SQL mode also, you can verify it. So hope you got a basic idea how to work with the Cassandra. Okay, so let me do like stop here and I will continue next video like about some projects on the Cassandra also. This video will help you to understand like how to install the Cassandra and how to work with the CLI and as well as SQL, because the coming videos I am going to show like a projects on the SQL and as well as like a CLI mode projects. So thank you.